Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Vussy Max. Welcome back to Vussy Max. You know the vibes, my G. You know the vibes. So, Happy New Year 2023. I haven't dropped a video since this year. You feel me? I haven't dropped a video this whole year, even though a couple of weeks in the year. You feel me? So, today's video is a very important one. It's a very important video that I've been wanting to make in the building because I've been seeing how things are happening. You understand? Since December basically to January, this thing I've been noticing, which is mainly about the brokers, you understand? So today I wanna kick back, relax, chop it up with you guys, you understand? And I got time today. You can see I'm even drinking water here.
Okay.
So guys, you know what's happening, fam? Okay, let me not assume you know what's happening, right? Let me tell you what I'm talking about today. Today I want to talk to you about brokers, right? Before we go into details of what I've been noticing as far as brokers go, I think it's safe to say that we have to admit at some point that I mean you can have a strategy that works, but if the broker works against you or your broker isn't fulfilling their promises on their end, right? You can still not make money from the markets, provided your strategy is cool and whatever and everything. Like, guys, if you watch the previous video I made, I literally just got banned from IFX, right? And they said I'm banned under abusing the bonus or something like that. Like, and I didn't. It's not like I even withdrew that bonus or anything like that. They just like told me something that was vague. You understand? And my other boy had been banned too, and the email that he got was the exact same email that I got, and we don't have the same trading styles, but we got the same kind of email that just saying we're being abusive or something like that. You understand? So, what I want to let you guys know. Let me just adjust my light. Yeah. What I want to let you guys know is don't be thinking these brokers are like you. They have your best interest at heart. You understand? There's no broker, in my experience, there's no broker that has the trader's best interest. I wouldn't say like the brokers are sabotaging you per se. There are some that are sabotaging you for sure, no doubt about that. But even the ones that are not sabotaging you, or they are also in it for them. They need to make money, just like you have to make money. It's not like you're the broker's friend. We're also using the broker as a means to get access to our monies and stuff like that. It's not like we care about them. You understand? So in the same way, now when they're also in business, it's not like you understand you are like their child or something like that. Bro. This is just business, and once you understand business, you understand to not take such things personal. You understand what I'm saying? So basically, this is what I want to say. I want to put the word out there. This is each and every trader's responsibility to find a broker that works for you. You understand? I can recommend a broker. Someone else so and so can recommend a broker, and so and so can recommend a broker. It does not mean anything from. What the fuck is making all that noise? It does not matter. You understand? I can make a video and recommend a broker. I'm just recommending for those that are kind of, I won't say lazy, but those that just want the easy way out. But me, now from my own personal experience, I always had everything. Like from the moment I started trading to where I'm at today, I've had everything the hard way. You understand? There was never the easy way out of situations. So whether it was about brokers or strategies, we had to hustle this shit like from the mud until we got to something that made sense. You understand? Just like brokers, I've tried a lot of brokers. I went from XM, I went from markets.com, plus 500. All these retro brokers that are not even like that in the forefront in today's age. Like we've tried all those brokers. You understand? For me to end up where I'm at with Vault Markets and them, because everywhere I go, we just get banged and stuff like that. And the last bang was like November to December. You understand? So I want to describe a couple things you need to be aware of that the market tends to do. Not the market, the brokers tend to do. You understand? So these are like sometimes it's them exploiting our trades or our positions and stuff like that. And sometimes they go up like they just go to like denying to process your withdrawals and stuff like that. And you don't even understand what's going on. You understand? I mean, the mindset you're abusing, your strategy is abusive and lock your money in the broker. I feel like they should kick you out. They should send your money back and kick you out. Ne? To some other weird things that happen, like when a broker, see, after you register with a broker and you fund, they take your funds same time. But now when you wanna withdraw, ne, you start going through like different kind of mazas, bro. They be telling you, hey, you need to verify that card and what. By the time I was depositing the funds to your platform, you never asked for all of those documentations and whatever. But now that I want the money, now that I've made money and I need it now, I need you to send the money back to me. Now you start telling me stories. Eh? I feel like they should keep the same. They should keep the same energy from the beginning. From the moment I registered, they should like demand all those documents up front. They shouldn't wait for me to fund first, and then when I want the money, you understand. And now I'm not. I've been in that situation, and I know a lot of you guys can relate to what I'm saying. Also, you understand. So I want to talk about um your fundamentals. Fundamentals is another thing that is hectic. You understand? Because with fundamentals now, the brokers are doing shady stuff too much shadiness here in SA. I don't know about the international brokers, and let me know if you guys know any brokers that are any brokers that are good, like as far as international, where I can have decent withdrawals, maybe like a day. I can wait for a day, but 2 days is too much. You understand? I feel like we're spoiled with SA brokers who take like a couple hours to for our withdrawals to reflect. You understand? So, bruh, when it comes to fundamentals, the manipulation that you get from the broker when it's just like a normal trade, where a swing trade or something like that, when it's fundamentals, it's like 50 times. They go all out with the manipulation, understand? Outright. A broker, you must tell me in the comment section which broker is this one. There was a broker which shut down the website so you can't log in. Alright, so we had the CPI. The core CPI is the one in SA that's like booming right now. We on the CPI and NFP. Alright. So just before CPI or just before NFP, maybe 30 minutes before that, they locked the brokers, the websites, I mean. So you can't log when you wanna log into the website to deposit some funds or transfer from account to something, the website was not working. If you experience this, let me know in the comment section which broker did you experience this with. So that's the first form of manipulation, right? That's like disrespect to the core. You understand? I myself also experienced this. I experienced this last week, I think. Yeah, last week with the CPI with a certain broker. But I want you guys to tell me which broker first, so I can, send. I might just let you know in the comment section. So yeah, they'll outright like shut down the website, so you can't do anything. You feel me? And then after that, the second thing they can do, ne, is what we call off codes, right? So with the off codes thing, I don't know if I know the best way of describing off codes, but let me just search it up real quick. Trading off codes meaning, but basically what happens is your trades will refuse to open. You understand? Like, exactly. What does it mean, trade when a trade is off quote? This means there have been no new prices in the selected instruments for some time, and the last price can no longer be treated as market price. So it's like they're not updating the market price on their system, so they can't give you the live price of a quote. You understand? Because it's not available. But you can't use the previous quote because that one is no longer it's no longer being treated as the market price. There's a new market price, but it's not visible in the system. If I can explain it that way, you understand? If I can simplify it for you to a way that you can understand, yeah. There's no available price. So imagine you're trading USD ZAR, but there's no price. Off codes means something kind of like that. So can you imagine I'm trying to enter NFP or something or CPI, I'm trying to open sells or buys. This has happened to me also in normal trades, but it happened to me like in the midnight. It used to happen to me in the midnight, not during the day. Like, but now I saw it for the first time in my life during the day, just before NFP. And then I knew this is just broker manipulation. I swear down, guys. And I'm gonna elaborate in another video about more about these things. And then there's also slippage, right? But slippage, I wouldn't say it's a market, it's a broker's thing. I wouldn't say slippage is a broker's manipulation, because slippage basically is what happens when you lose. Let's say you, but slippage usually for me it happens during when you're trading fundamentals. It's when now you, let's say for instance, you blow more money than the money you even have like in your account balance, because the price moved so violent, ne, and volatile. that like it was too volatile, bruh, for the broker to even catch up and close your trade at the SL. So you might lose more than what you said as your SL. And you shouldn't blame the brokerage. It naturally happens as the market becomes more volatile. If you want to avoid slippage, I suggest you stay away from fundamentals. You see, if you're a beginner and you're not ready to lose crazy, ridiculous amounts of money, then I suggest when it comes to fundamentals, stay away because there's gonna be slippage where you lose more money than you make, or even your TP. Your TP can close later because the price just shot up through that price like so fast. You understand what I'm saying? The thing, the other thing I wanna say, sometimes your meta trader will say not enough money, and you must ask yourself, not enough money, Kanchan. Which one is this one? What's going on? You understand? And you, even if you have funds, like funds in your account balance, and like this happened during fundamentals, like now, my other boy was trading, and then he got hit with the not enough money on his meta trader, not even on the website, like on the meta trader as he was opening trades, said not enough money, but the account had money, so clearly broker manipulation. Understand? So I just wanted to enlighten you guys about this broker manipulation thing that's been happening. Also, you understand? And I also wanted to let you guys know, man, this year we're not doing signals anymore. I'm sorry about that. No more signals, but we are doing mentorship, right? So with mentorship, I'll disclose further about the mentorship stuff probably in the next video. But I'm still working around getting the posters and stuff for that one. So I don't wanna announce that. But yeah, it's a more all around package for someone who really wants to know the markets and stuff like that. So I'm gonna tell you guys what's up with this one. You feel me? And courses are back. Courses are back. Online courses are there. I'm gonna link the thing, and we're gonna add more courses on how to trade fundamentals too. I'm gonna be adding soon. I'm gonna keep updating you guys. So the online course is still available. Link is in the description box below. You understand? And yeah, we're gonna talk about the rest in the next video. You feel me? Peace out.